Cruise by Mandy. We're going to kick it off here with deck 16. I'm on deck 16 aft. So I'm back here in this area. And the reason I want to point out this map is when I spent over a month on board on Royal Princess, I came down here a lot because I could grab food right here at the buffet. I could go back out here. And the Royal Princess did not have a pool back here. It had more of a seating area. They had great margaritas, but I would go back there and take my laptop and do a lot of work. So when we would come this way, 2 flights down, we could go to the World Fresh Marketplace and have our buffet. I can always check that night's dinner menu here and know exactly what was going on. What did I miss tonight? Because we did go have sushi instead. Wow. So yeah, definitely missed some things tonight for dinner, but that's okay. We had sushi and it was great. So let's take a look back out here. Because this deck 16 is actually where, when we went around Cape Horn, this is where I hung out. Now, there's a great seating area here, whereas on Royal Princess still has a lot of tables. I like that. One of the things I've always liked about the Princess ships is having the hot chocolate. You know, you can have hot chocolate with the water or with the milk. I like it with the milk. So does my husband. What's the deal here? So, yeah, come in here and you can use this. Very similar to the bar here. This is the first time I've seen this bar back here. Whereas on the Royal Princess, I spent a lot of time literally at these types of tables on deck 16. These are in place. We went around Cape Horn, looking at the lighthouse, going around Cape Horn. That was great. But this is something new, and I pointed it out the day I embarked this ship here. This particular pool right here is like an infinity pool overlooking the aft here. And it reminds me a lot of the Cunard ships because of the infinity pool looking area there. And you may have seen my videos of doing ship inspection on the Queen Victoria, but that's how that is. But this is just a great adult only pool area. It's less than 4 feet deep, but a great place just to hang out, grab a lounger, grab a beverage. And if you have that beverage package, it does run around $71 a day, including tax and gratuities, but that gives you an idea. This side of deck 16 is where we actually saw the lighthouse going around Cape Horn from. It was excellent. If you saw my video a few minutes ago, down on deck 7, I saw a ship. I'm like, oh my God, it's like the Disney Magic. I think it's the Disney Magic. And I said, I'd check marine traffic. Yes, it was the Disney Magic. That's my home ship, as I call it, because I've spent more nights on that ship than any other ship ever. So out of 400 plus nights on board ships, if you've ever wondered what ship I've spent the most number of nights on, it is the Disney Magic. So this is what we're looking at here for deck 16. I know I walked through earlier with the buffet when we had to come get some munchies. The little plate of torch sushi just did not hold me over. So let's take a look. And this would be the buffet area here. So if you're ever out on deck 16 and need to run back in real quick and use the restrooms, here, there are the hand washing stations, and I love the hand washing stations instead of just washy, happy, and getting spritz. Over 400 nights on cruises, and our family has never gotten sick. You see something in the media, norovirus or whatever, we've never experienced that. We take precautions. We wash our hands frequently. We use the paper towel to open the bathroom doors. We try not to touch the handrails unless we really feel like we need them. So while we're on 16, let's head on up to 17. I will start a new video for 17 next.